being run without these app aggregators coming. Tumkugura saha, lok yatalo, they were staying in houses of fishermen or small rooms. We didn't even have many hotels at that time. Yet Goa was #1 tourist destination internationally. Second, लोक वयताले restaurant पासून इतले नाशिल्ले. They used to go to the houses of certain people and small shacks, and they would eat. They were all happy with it. Today what is happening is, tum pore lastale, it was at that time we were serving and people were enjoying. That was the tourism which was there. It was we who were running the business. आज दुसरे येयले आनी आमकां शिकयताय कितकोन बिजनेस चलोवपाक. So this is what has happened. आनी आमचे उरले फकत आतींक सर्वे करपाक. Instead of us running the business, others are running our business and making us work there. This, I think, is what we have to understand, and that is why I fought that our Goans are now with these app aggregators. They are being displaced, and what is happening is others are running the thing, and we are just becoming virtually slaves into this system. So I think now look at these big hotels and all that, and look who's getting employed. We are talking of unemployment in Goa. Amge sagle burge are not very highly educated. They can be employed in the hotels, some get experience, they go on the boat, they can go abroad. But if we have these kind of things by which others invade our spaces of our business, and they want then to teach us it must be done like this, done like that, I think Goa will lose its charm, and it will be only a commercial venture for these people, and our Goans will lose out. Therefore, I think that we have to take this issue carefully, and I Pasumulla Sarkara that we must take everybody so that we can work out amicably, because your first point of a tourist is a taxi. So taxi boslo, everything starts thereafter. Hotel Paolo things Zoglin it will be another tension. And I'm happy that both the minister and the chief minister said we will have a meeting before the end of the session to work out the modalities, how we can arrive at an amicable solution.
Sir, one more thing, yesterday you speak about the homestay policy, no?
होय, होमस्टे पॉलिसी हांवें म्हणला. हांव एक तुमकां सगळे डिटेल्स प्रेजेंटेशन दितलो दाखोवपाक की पयले ते होमस्टे मंत्रीन म्हणलें तें दॅट इज ओनली फॉर दोज तालुकाज. इट इज नॉट. It is simple English, which I will read it for you, and you will understand. It is a homestay policy applicable for whole Goa. Only those 7 talukas are being given special benefit of non-payment or a refund of a registration fee. Dusre fee ahate under 7.1. Them in that paragraph it is there. Any other benefits they are getting of domestic connection, of water, domestic electricity, domestic house tax is under 6.2. which is now available to everybody.
तर कालच्या दिसा तुम्ही सेक्रेटरीचेर उलयले, एक्झॅक्टली कितें तें मॅग्नेटीक सेक्रेटरी
कितें जाता, थोडे पंचायत सेक्रेटरी फकत हांव न्ही दुसऱ्या आमदारां पासून सांगलां, थोडे सेक्रेटरी गाम घालून एशें फेविकॉल घालून आसात थिंगाच कदलात आनी भायर सरनात, ते वसों सोदनात. हांव जाणा कित्याक पूण एक सेक्रेटरी बास्तोडची हांवें म्हणलां ती ट्रान्सफर करून मगे एक्सेप्ट केलें की आतां नॉर्थ जाली म्हूण ती आहा म्हूण थिंगा, आनी सरकारान ऑर्डर इश्यू केली ट्रान्सफर करपाक. रोखड गेली परत आयली. सो देखो हांवें म्हणलां कित्याक जाता, मॅग्नेट एट्रॅक्ट आसा न्ही, मॅग्नेटीक एट्रॅक्शन टक्को येता म्हूण परत.
मॅग्नेट म्हणल्यार कितें दोतोर कितें काम करता एक्झॅक्टली? मॅग्नेट म्हणल्यार कितें?
मॅग्नेट तूं जाणा, एक पॉझिटीव पोल आसता, नेगेटीव पोल आसता. तो ही पॉझिटीव आसा जाल्यार खंयचे नेगेटीव, ही नेगेटीव जाल्यार खंयचे पॉझिटीव, ते चवकशी तुमी करूंक पडटलें.
ओके सर, आनी एक
स्टेट द न्यू बिल हाडपाक सोदता अबाउट द लँड कन्वर्शन which can override the court judgment. What do you think about it?
I have not seen the bill yet, but there is sometimes what we do is legislative technique is there that you overcome certain flaws on the basis of which a judgment has been given. Remember, Supreme Court has said you cannot pass a law directly to say the judgment is null and void. This cannot be done. But you can remove the flaw by which that legislation became invalid, and then you can pass the legislation.
तर कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट प्रॉपर हांव तुमची कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आहा बसीक बीन लागून?
अरे हांवें सांगलां बस आमगे सगळे बस आहात ते सामके एज्ड जाले म्हळ्यार सामके जाणटे बस जाले तुमी जाणात 1980 केन्ना स्टार्ट जालो ते बस आजून चलवतात थिंगा आनी बस breakdown परत जाता there is no proper maintenance they don't have funds I'm telling you this but you are getting EV buses and EV buses आमगे बारीक रस्ते ते वचपा जायना ते बसीन कित्याक आम म्हणल्यार तूं EV हाडलो आमकां केन्ना कसलो फायदो ना ते so I've asked for proper buses and one particular route keeps suffering chronic breakdown which I pointed out see occasional I don't say any complaint but this route is suffering I think all the people keep waiting. Ek bus comes after 20 minutes, the next bus. So you have to come before 20 minutes to be there on time for the bus. Bus na zale zante lokache kit jata. Burgenche isklan hoitat le. Isklan son adu hoitat zale. Problem jata ni.
पणजे तशें धाकटे EV बसीस कदंबाचे तशें तुमी डिमांड करतले
हांव धाकले EV म्हणना तुमकुडा आहा मुगे सासबाय आशिल्लो तेन्ना एज MD ऑफ कदंबा ब्रिगेडियर येते कॉस्टा लेट ब्रिगेडियर येते कॉस्टा तेणे मिनी बसीस तेन्ना स्टार्ट केल्ले गांवान वचपाक एंड दोज आर द थिंग्स आय थिंक फॉर रुरल बसीस एंड ऑल इट वूड हॅव बीन वेरी गूड आतां वॉट इज द प्लॅन फॉर पेंजीम दे वॉन्ट टू हॅव अ डिफरंट कायंड ऑफ अ सिस्टम I will be honest with you, there is one Arun Desai Monashalo, he was officer of the government of Goa and in one presentation he when talking to me I एक फंक्शनाक गेल्ले मागीर तो मुको सायडीन आशिल्लो उलयतालो and he had a real good plan of a traffic circulation for Panjim which I think it may or may not be good if they analyze it but I thought it was good. I think the government should bring in people like this to help because now he's retired and he's ready to help. He's not wanting to come professionally on board, but maybe his experience. He was, I think, last director of transport. So, and I think he was even IAS afterwards. Okay.
So, पंचायत फंड इनाफ हा तुमच्या हितून कितें इम्प्रुवमेंट्स करपाची गरज आहा
मिनिस्टर कंप्लेन करून जाल्यार ते पंचायत फंड उणें जाला रिडक्शन जाला तो एडमीट करून जाल्यार इज इट नॉट अ फेलियर
ओके सर वन मोर थिंग इज सध्या टॅक्सी कारांचो गोवा मायल्स आहे ते जायतो इश्यू गाजता पण लास्ट 2 days बॅक यू हॅव रीड दॅट ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर हॅज गॉट अ थ्रेटन फ्रॉम अननोन पर्सन
सो आय डोंट नो कितें जाता समटायम्स when we are in this kind of work where we have to do espouse the cause of public third party there is one group which is in favor and there is another group which may be against at कोणे एक letter धाडले जाल्यार to what extent and what level should I feel fearful should I feel threatened and especially when you are an experienced politician I am a fresher in your experienced politician is this the first time that he has got such a threat is a question mark and if so whether the threat is like a kiddish threat or whether it's genuine threat or whether he really needs to have some additional protection or whether it's a means to get an additional protection is a question mark.
So, special court for the land grab trial. So what do you like to say on this?
Let me see what they speak about special court. I jitle special court gele but still the matters are not getting over very fast. So I only have one thing which is running in my mind is about where they are speaking of that S-cheat where there is no claimant to the land the government takes it over. I want to see in what conditions, what circumstances that happens.